Hello there! I am taking you on a little walk with me. And the reason why is because prior to the pandemic, I was walking, lifting weights, stretching every day. And I just kind of got out of the habit. I don't know why I do that to myself, but I did. So now I'm recommitting and I'm going to stay busy and get healthier. Because you know what happens when we sit still, we rust. So after this, I'm going to be doing a little gardening, so stay tuned. One of my most favorite things to do in the summer is walk past this walnut orchard. It's about 5 to 10 degrees cooler with the breeze. It feels so great when you're walking and you're hot. Hello! All right, so I have a few more bulbs that I need to plant that are left over from earlier. And we have the tulips and the allium. So I am going to attempt to try to use we will see. I have not been really successful using it before. I think it's my ground is just too hard, but I'm going to try. Maybe I'll get better at it. So I'm going to try to plant the allium. I have another box of these back here, and the tulips up front since I have least amount of those. Start here. Gosh, I almost scratched my face on that. Uh-oh. Well, I finished planting the alliums and the tulips, but I tried using the auger, but you know, I don't think the auger worked well for every soil type. Like I have some pretty heavy clay soil, and it maybe, the auger can get it down maybe 2 inches, and then after that it just stops. So, you know, I'm better off just using my shovel for now until I can get my soil under control. I would love to have the nice fluffy type of soil that I could just barely put the shovel in to get all this to do what I need to do, but you know what, it's just not going to happen right now. So what I did was I threw in some firmulch to help condition the soil over here, because this is a flower bed that I've never shown you before, something I haven't really worked on this year at all. So I need to get that worked on, and hopefully the bulbs will come up. Wish me luck. Before you go out and purchase an auger, make sure that you know your soil type. So as you could see, it didn't really work well in my soil type, which is clay. I mean, it really wasn't worth the cost to invest in that auger when the auger really drilled down maybe 2 to 3 inches, and then I had to hand dig the rest. So instead of the auger, invest in amendments to make your soil that nice and fluffy soil that's easy to dig in. Next week, I will be talking to the owners of In Season and its unique gift and plant store. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great week.